case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States heard Carter v. Kentucky in 1981, a case that centered on the fundamental right of an individual accused of a crime to receive a specific instruction to the jury, stating that silence should not be interpreted as evidence of guilt. The case began when Lonnie Joe Carter was being tried for third-degree burglary and being a persistent felony offender based on previous convictions. The trial court refused Carter's defense request for a jury instruction, stating that his silence could not be used as evidence of guilt, leading the case to escalate to the Kentucky Supreme Court, which sided with the trial court. However, the United States Supreme Court ultimately disagreed, reversing the judgment and remanding the case to the Kentucky Supreme Court to reconsider in line with its majority opinion. The events leading to the lawsuit occurred in December 1978, when Officer Deborah Ellison witnessed two men crouching near a building in downtown Hopkinsville. The men fled when Ellison shined her spotlight on them, leading her to discover a hole in Young's hardware store. After radioing Officer Leroy Davis, a pursuit ensued which resulted in Carter being apprehended. Despite evidence such as dropped items, the petitioner was taken into custody but could not be positively identified by Ellison. The Supreme Court ruled that the trial court had been obligated to provide the cautionary instruction to protect Carter's Fifth Amendment privilege. The Kentucky Supreme Court's failure to consider the issue of harmless refusal was also noted as the case was remanded for further proceedings consistent with the Supreme Court's opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.